Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making these great value fudge brownies. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your brownie mix, a pan to put it in. Today I'm going to be using an 8 by 8 inch pan. You could also use a 13 by 9. You're going to need a mixing bowl, some measuring cups, a spoon to stir it up with, 2 eggs, some nonstick cooking spray or butter or whatever you would like to grease your pan with, and some oil. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to go ahead and grease our pan and then set it aside. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up our brownie mix. And we're going to go ahead and open that up and put it inside of our bowl. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 cup of oil, and our 2 eggs. And now we're just going to go ahead and combine that until it's well blended. Now that that's ready, we're going to go ahead and pour it into our baking pan. Now that it's in there, I'll just give it a little bit of a shake to make sure everything is evenly distributed. And we are ready to pop this into our oven for 40 to 45 minutes is their recommendation for an 8 by 8 inch pan. And if you're baking in a 13 by 9 pan, their recommendation is 25 to 30 minutes. Now, they don't give any indication as to how you should know that the brownies will be done, but based on my other experience, we're basically looking for a toothpick inserted about 2 inches from the edge of the pan to come out mostly clean. So I'm gonna come back and let you know exactly how long that took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been 45 minutes in my oven and we're looking like we're done here. So just to confirm, I'm gonna take a couple toothpicks and we're gonna insert them about 2 inches away from the side of the pan in a few different spots and see if they come out mostly clean. I would definitely consider that mostly clean. There's not any thick batter that looks uncooked clinging to it. This looks more like very moist crumb as opposed to batter, but I'm just gonna check a couple more spots. All right, from my taste, I would definitely say that these seem to be done. You don't want it to be overcooked at all, so this seems like it's just right. So here's our completed great value fudge brownies. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.